So welcome back on Did You Know Sundays. So what is sensitivity and what are the causes and what is the treatment for that? The natural design of the tooth protects the nerve from the sensations of hot, cold and sweets. So anything that weakens, cracks or removes that protects the nerve will definitely cause a sensitivity. So a cavity is a bacterial infection that removes the first layer of the tooth, thereby exposing the second layer of the tooth, and ultimately it leads to the satiety. Now, if you're constantly exposed to the acids, like for example, if you're habituated with sipping the carbonated drinks and sucking on the lemons, so be careful with the acidic nature because it's gradually there will be gradual thinning and loss of your first layer of the tooth, and thereby causing consistent sensitivity. Now, if you have a crack in the tooth, that allows us to penetrate the sensations directly to your nerve and thereby causing sensitivity. So, in fact, an isolated and consistent tooth sensitivity is a common symptom of a cracked tooth. Now, stress. Like, how do you react if you are stressful? You overreact to the normal stimuli, right? Same way, if you are having anything outside the normal temperature, your tooth, they are also going to overreact. They will say, oh, hey, I'm already stressed out here and now you're putting on me the acids, the hot and cold. So when a tooth overreacts, what happens? You will start feeling sensitivity. When you are clenching and grinding of the teeth, where it is happening in stress unknowingly, thereby, there will be loss of your first layer of the teeth. And again, the same thing is happening. You're exposing your second layer and you are very close to your nerve and thereby causing sensitivity. Heavy clenching and grinding forces can wear down your enamel, thereby causing a severe sensitivity. If a tooth experiences any accident or injury, underlying nerve can become inflamed and can become hypersensitive to the normal sensations. So what is the treatment for sensitivity? Use an anti-sensitivity toothpastes which are available in the market. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Get yourself a mouth guard which will act as a helmet, thereby protecting the harmful effects of clenching and grinding which is happening unknowingly because of your stress. You might require to intervene a dental professional so that he might help you with a crown or an onlay. Root canal treatment is the last resort to treat the sensitivity. It is important to choose a dental professional that understands the underlying causes of sensitivity, and because as this would go a long way in alleviating the pain that causes the severe sensitivity.